Welcome to our tutorial on how to adjust the duration before posting a poll on Twitter using your PC. Let's walk through the steps to customize the poll duration to suit your needs. Begin by opening Twitter on your PC and accessing the Post Compose box at the top of your home timeline. Next, locate and click on the Add Poll icon to start creating your poll. Type your poll question into the main Compose box to engage your audience effectively. Enter your first poll option in the Choice 1 box and your second poll option in the Choice 2 box. Remember, each option can be up to 25 characters long. By default, the poll duration is set to 1 day. You can adjust the duration by clicking on the default setting and modifying the days, hours, and minutes. The poll duration can range from a minimum of 5 minutes to a maximum of 7 days. Once you have set the desired duration, click Post to share your poll with your followers. By following these steps, you can easily customize the duration before posting a poll on Twitter using your PC, allowing you to tailor the engagement experience for your audience. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you effectively manage your polls on Twitter. Engage with your followers and gather insights by adjusting the duration of your polls with these simple instructions.